हेलो एवरीवन, हाय, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नौकरी समाचार। गाइस, नौकरी से जुड़ी हुई मैं काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशंस आप लोगों के लिए ऑलरेडी लाती रहती हूँ। तो आज भी हम आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वैकेंसीज़ के बारे में अपडेट लेकर आए हैं, जो कि है आरआरबी मिनिस्ट्रियल एंड आइसोलेटेड कैटेगरीज रिक्रूटमेंट 2024। सो 1036 पोस्ट का नोटिफिकेशन आउट हो चुका है। आप लोग अप्लाई कब से करेंगे? 7 जनवरी 2025 तक। क्या लास्ट डेट रहने वाली है, डिटेल पर बात करेंगे। बट आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़, अगर आप लोग चैनल पे फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू गाइस कैन सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, बिकॉज काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस आप लोग के लिए आने वाली हैं। सो द रेलवे रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवे, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ रिलीज द सेंट्रलाइज्ड एम्प्लॉयमेंट नोटिस for various ministerial and isolated categories. Applications are invited for a total of 1036 vacancies in multiple positions. Eligible candidates can apply online between 7th of January 2025 and 6th of February 2025. The RRB Ministerial and Isolated Categories Recruitment 2024 notification has been released in the 21 to 27 December 2024 employment newspaper. So, isolated categories recruitment organization is RRB. Post name is various ministerial and isolated categories. Advertisement number है RRB CN 07/2024. Total vacancies 1036. Application mode online. Opening date to apply is 7th of January. Closing date is 6th of February. Official website is rrbcdg.gov.in. If we talk about the application fee for the general, OBC and EWS category, you have to pay 500 rupees, and for the SC, ST, ex-serviceman, PWD or women, you have to pay 250 rupees. The fee can be paid online via debit or credit card, net banking or UPI. Short notification date is 16th of December. Start date is 7 January. Last date is 6 February. So if we talk about the age limit for each post is given in the table below. The crucial date for the calculation of age limit is 1/1/2025. So you have to calculate your age depending upon the age of 1st January 2025. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules. For the postgraduate teachers, the vacancies are 187 and your age must be in between 18 to 48, PG in related subject plus B.Ed. If we talk about the scientific supervisor, ergonomics and training, 3 vacancies are there. Trained graduate teachers, there are total 338 vacancies. In this you need graduate plus B.Ed plus CTET. Chief Law Assistant, it is between 18 to 43 and total number of vacancies are 54. Public Prosecutor, age is between 18 to 35, 20 vacancies are there. Physical Training Instructor, 18 vacancies. You must have graduate in PT or BPEd. Scientific assistant or training, 18 to 38, 2 vacancies are there. Junior translator Hindi, 130 vacancies are there. You must have post graduation in English or Hindi. Senior publicity inspector, 18 to 36 age, 3 vacancies are there. You must have a graduate plus diploma in public relations or advertisement or journalism or mass communication. Staff and welfare inspector, your age must be between 18 to 33 and total number of vacancies are 59 and you must have diploma in labor or social welfare or labor laws or LLB or PG or MBA in HR. Librarian, there are total 10 vacancies. Music teacher, 3 vacancies. Primary teacher, railway, 188. Assistant teacher, 2. Laboratory assistant, school, 7. 12th pass with science plus 1 year experience. Lab assistant, grade 3. 12 vacancies, 12th with science plus DMLT diploma or certificate. RRB ministerial and isolated categories recruitment selection process. There must be, they will be taking a written exam in computer based CBT mode, and then your typing test will be checked based on your requirement of the specific post. Then there will be a document verification, medical examination will be there. If you clear all these steps, then you definitely will be selected based on the merit list. And how you can apply is visit the official website of RRB, navigate the recruitment portal and select CN numbers 07/2024. Complete the registration process and log in, fill out the application form carefully and upload scanned copies of the required documents. Pay the application fee and submit the form, download and print the confirmation page for future references. So I have already explained you everything regarding this vacancy. Still, if you have any queries, any doubts, you guys can comment me in the comment section. I'll definitely sort out your queries. So that's all guys in this part. Thank you so much, and do stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.